It's a full-on war of words, at least among our MPs, our leaders, between the BJP and the Congress party. The Bharatiya Janata Party says Congress is hand in glove with Pakistan and their vote bank. This is, again, remember, after what Congress is saying, BJP is attacking Rahul Gandhi, saying why is he taunting government at the centre, and that Congress party is acting hand in glove with Pakistan vote bank. India-Pakistan pact to exchange information was also there in 1991. Is what the BJP is saying. 1991 India-Pak agreement was a treason pact. Remember, at this juncture when Rahul Gandhi had questioned External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, government of the centre, saying they revealed to Pakistan even before operation had started. Now that is a claim that the government rejected, denied, said that did not happen, but clearly that has led to now a full-on war of words. Let's listen now to what precisely is the statement coming in from the BJP. Nishikant Dubey from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
आपने तो हाथ काट के लिख दिया कि हमारी आर्मी कहाँ डिप्लॉय होगी, आपकी नेवी कहाँ डिप्लॉय होगी, आपका एयरफोर्स कैसे फंक्शन करेगा, वो कैसे एक्सरसाइज करेगा। तो ये सारी बातें क्या देशद्रोह नहीं है? कांग्रेस ने वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स के लिए देश के साथ धोखा नहीं किया कि उनको बांग्लादेशी वोट बैंक चाहिए, उनको पाकिस्तानी वोट बैंक चाहिए, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमान तो इस देश के नागरिक हैं। उनको पता है कि उनके कब्जे में नहीं आने वाले हैं। ऐसा वोट बैंक जो किराएदार बना हुआ है उस कारण से किया। और मुझे लगता है कि भारत सरकार को इसके ऊपर जो है देशद्रोह का मुकदमा चालू करना चाहिए। और इस एग्रीमेंट के ऊपर जो एग्रीमेंट बनाने वाले थे, करने वाले थे, उनके ऊपर वो जिंदा है या नहीं जिंदा है वो उनका अपना सवाल है, लेकिन किस परिस्थिति में हुआ ये देश को बताना चाहिए और कांग्रेस के ऊपर FIR करना चाहिए।
Piyush Mishra joins me this morning on India's agenda. Piyush, so rest assured we can say our political bickering at a domestic level is back. There was a unity for some days, but now we can see that that's come to the fore. Tell me more about how and why is the BJP gunning for Rahul Gandhi now?
Well, Pooja, in the last few days, we have seen as to how BJP has upped the ante against Rahul Gandhi and demanding that he should take back his statements. In fact, BJP has also gone on to say that what Rahul Gandhi is speaking is nothing but the Pakistan's voice. So, after these statements, we are now seeing how BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has come out with a new fact where he's saying that in 1991, the then UPA government had decided to share each and every information with Pakistan about the deployments of our armed forces. Wasn't it treason? That's what the BJP is now saying. And it all has happened after the questions those were raised by Rahul Gandhi on the statements those were made by Foreign Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, where he was heard saying that the details of operations were shared with Pakistan. But Pooja, it is also important to understand that the government, MEA, time and again have been making it very clear that the statement of S. Jaishankar is being read into some other context. The information with Pakistan was shared only after the commencement of Operation Sindoor, when we had struck the 9 terror targets. After that, Pakistan was informed about that. But when we shared the information, Pakistan decided to take part in that battle and they decided to help the terrorists there in Pakistan. But this statement of S. Jaishankar is somewhere being misquoted. That's what the BJP is saying. And now BJP has gone on to say that Rahul Gandhi is speaking the voice of Pakistan. Rahul Gandhi is seeking the evidence. Rahul Gandhi is now asking how many Indian jets have been down. So this is certainly going to give a lot of ammunition to Pakistan, and that is why we are seeing massive politics taking place. At one side, BJP attacking Rahul Gandhi. On the other side, Congress party continues to seek answers from the government, saying that it was not a huge fight. They should have gone and occupied POJK. The Congress is also criticizing the government.
So did we have a ceasefire too soon? Was this our opportunity to have Pakistan occupy Jammu Kashmir that the BJP government let go? Congress is charging with that, saying already revealed operation to Pakistan. Congress building up on the strategy, going beyond poster war to target BJP government.